I have made well over 400,000 naira within the last 2 months just helping small businesses in Nigeria to register their business with CAC. I don't have to leave the comfort of my house. I don't need to ever show up in any CAC office. I don't need to run any ad. I don't need to physically go and look for customers. Yet, I have made well over 400k in the last few weeks just posting this service online, and several business owners bombarding my DM to help me register their businesses with CAC. To start this business is too easy for you to ignore. You don't need any certificate, you don't need any qualification, you don't need any startup capital, yet at least you'll be charging a minimum of 10,000 naira for every registration you do. Guess what? The federal government of Nigeria has even made this business more profitable now because they have mandated all business owners to go and register their businesses with CAC or face sanctions. So the rush to register is actually very much on. Besides, these days everybody is looking for business loans and grants everywhere, and without the CAC certificate they cannot access it. So you can see that this business is ever hot in the market. Another reason why you need to do this business is because it's not a seasonal business that will be off the market anytime soon. No way. Every day people will continue to start a new business, and people who already have unregistered businesses will be registering it. So year in, year out, you are always working and making money. So I really need you to understand that when it comes to making money, it doesn't always have to be online making dollars. The truth of the matter is that if you are calm here, you can actually make a lot of money. Now, remember that you don't even have to leave your bedroom, like I said, to make all of this happen. Now, what does it take to start doing this business? You only need two things to start helping business owners to register their businesses on CAC. You already have the first one, which is your laptop or your mobile phone if you don't have a laptop. And the second thing you will need, honestly, is my mentorship. Now, one question that most people ask me is that can they offer CAC registration business even if they are not accredited agents? That's a good question. The truth of the matter is that you don't need to be an accredited agent to offer CAC registration service. In fact, I'm also not an accredited agent myself because the only people that can apply for the accredited agents are lawyers and chartered accountants. So you don't even need to worry yourself about that. Now listen, you don't even need my mentorship compulsorily to start this business. Some people just come to YouTube, watch a few videos here and there, and then they learn how to do it, and then they go ahead and start offering this business. The only problem with this style of learning is that 95% of the times you will fall into some serious errors. Sometimes this can even result in legal issues with your customers. Don't get me wrong, if you're registering only your own business, their YouTube videos is fine. I also have some of them on YouTube. But if you want to register other people and you don't want to join my mentorship class, then you really have to be careful and be sure that you use the best videos online to do it. If not, you might go through some very hard time, especially for your first few customers. Another reason why I highly recommend my masterclass is that if you allow me to teach you, 99% of the times you will never have any CAC query. The best part of joining my mentorship class is that, trust me, many people that are using random YouTube videos to register their own businesses will always fall into one problem or another. You can see some of them that I am showing on my screen. I get more than 10 different people asking me to help them solve one CAC issues or another every day. This is another way you can actually use the CAC registration to make money by helping people who are doing it on their own to solve their numerous problems which keep coming every day. If you are in my masterclass, we will help you solve all of these problems for free. No extra charge, but you will be charging the people that bring this problem to you, and you'll be pocketing your money softly. So like I really tell people, to make money is really not as difficult as you think. Stop thinking that you can't survive in Nigeria if you don't travel out. So if you're willing to be in my masterclass, then go ahead and join using the link in the video description just below this video. But if you're not willing to be in the masterclass, then I also have a full playlist of CAC registration videos that you can watch for free and start doing this business as soon as possible. So as you can see, you have no excuse. I have something for you. Either you have money to join my masterclass or you want to do it free of of charge. So please drop your comments and your questions in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond to as many of them that I can. And please don't forget to like this video and then help me share this video on your social handles. Let's eradicate hunger and lack from Nigeria. This is my own little way of contributing. So if you share my video, you too, you'll be doing your own little way by helping someone out there. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're a first-time visitor to this channel, make sure you subscribe before jumping off.